So we've just finished working our magic on another car. On this one we have fitted a dump valve. Let's see what that sounds like. Awesome, awesome. And then we also fitted a Catback resonate system, which makes this car sound so meaty. Have a listen. Oh yes, that is beautiful. Now go for a send. Absolutely beautiful. So we've done our stage 1 remap on that as well. We've done the exhaust system, we've added a dump valve. The car's been absolutely transformed and drives like a whole new car. It's so much more fun to drive. Absolutely amazing. So if you guys want mods on your cars, hit us up, Cherry Tuning. See you later.